Hi students, the next topic we have to discuss is classification of companies on the basis of other criteria. We have already named that on the basis of other criteria, companies are classified as private company, public company, one-person company, OPC, small company, association or for-profit, that is Section 8 company, producer company, investment company, dormant company, public financial institution, PFI, and Nidhi company. Before going detailing under each head, I think it's better to discuss about some companies in detail firstly, and then we can go discussing about each of these companies under every single heads. Okay, today we can discuss about producer company. What is a producer company? Producer company, Section 581A, therein 81AL. Of Companies Act. Here Companies Act means Companies Act 1956. Being discussing about producer companies, we are taking the extracts from Companies Act 1956, not from Companies Act 2013. See, this is the Bear Companies Act, and here relevant extracts of Companies Act 1956 related to producer companies pursuant to Section 465(1) of Companies Act 2013. With regards this Section 581, 581A, 581B, regard this extracts from Companies Act 1956. We are discussing about producer companies here. The in Section 581A, though we can see various definitions that is coming with regard producer companies, and Section 581A. Section 581A, there is L, producer company. Producer company means body corporate having objects or activities specified in Section 581B and registered as producer company under this Act. This incorporation of producer companies. You see what is 581B Section, objects of producer company, that we can discuss. Okay, we can talk about producer company. Section 581AL, you got it right? What is 581AL of Companies Act 1956? That describes a producer company as a body corporate that has objects or activities as under Section 581B. Section 581B of Companies Act of Companies Act 1956. That has objects or activities with regard Section 581B of Companies Act 1956, and that is registered as producer company under this Act. Yeah, this Act means Companies Act 1956. What is the object of a producer company? This object we are talking in general. The objects of a producer company with related to Section 581B. I will discuss in the next video. I will make a separate video regard, and let's discuss that topic here. Generally, what are the objects of a producer company? To facilitate the formation of cooperative business as a company and convert existing cooperative business into companies. These to facilitate the formation of a cooperative business that is a company, and to convert an existing cooperative business into companies. Therefore, actually a producer company is formed. You get a knowledge up to this. And what are the membership criteria required for a producer company? A producer company must have minimum 10 or more individuals. Each are producers, or 2 or more producer institutions. Otherwise, 10 or more individuals and producer institutions. This is the minimum membership criteria for a producer company. That means a minimum, considering about individuals, a minimum of 10 individuals, 10 or more individuals, each of whom are producers. They can be member of producer companies, and 2 or more producer institutions. They can also form a producer company, and 10 or more individuals and 10 or more individuals, and producer companies can also form a producer company. Coming with regard producer institutions, that's 2 or more producer institutions are must. When talking regard individuals, 10 or more individuals are must to form a producer company. Talking about individuals and producer company, 10 or more individuals and producer company. Okay. What's the liability? What's the liability of the producer company? A producer company is limited by shares. That means the liability of the members of a producer company is limited, and the liability of a producer company is limited by shares. Next, we can discuss about the certificate of incorporation of the producer companies. Certificate of incorporation. The registrar, when he is satisfied that all requirements of the Act, we are talking about producer companies. Therein, the Act means Companies Act 1956. All requirements of the Act with respect to registration of producer company is complied with. The registrar register the Memorandum of Association, MOA, Memorandum of Association, AOA, Articles of Association. The registrar register the Memorandum of Association and Articles of the Association of the company within 30 days from filing of the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association by the company's promoters. And after that, the registrar issue Certificate of Incorporation. What are the effects of the Certificate of Incorporation on a company? The effects of Certificate of Incorporation of a company is the producer company shall become a body corporate with regard to the effect of this incorporation, and the producer company gets the status of a private company for compliance of Companies Act 1956. And generally we can say there is no limit in the number of members of producer company, and a producer company is never deemed to be a public company, and a minimum of rupees 1 lakh is required as paid up share capital of a producer company, and a producer company restricts the transfer of its shares, and a producer company has the limitations of private company. Every limitations of the private company, that is producer company, also has. What are those limitations? A producer company cannot invite public to subscribe for shares or debentures. That's the limitations of a private company. The producer company also have that same limitation. It cannot invite public to subscribe for shares or debentures. A producer company cannot invite public deposits. These are the limitation of also a private company. The same way, producer company also cannot invite public to subscribe for the shares or debentures, and producer company cannot invite public deposits. And promotion and incorporation expenses may be reimbursed to the promoter subject to the approval at first general meeting. Not this point also. Okay. Then objects of a producer company. What are the objects of a producer company? Generally, we have discussed about the objects of a producer company. But Section 581B of Companies Act 1956 clearly describes what are the objects of producer company. In next video, we can discuss on that. Thank you.